They erased him from the system, deleted his name, buried his legacy. But some code can't be wiped. Some ghosts can't be silenced. Now, under neon skies and shattered laws, he returns, reforged with steel, reloaded with vengeance, reprogrammed for one mission: eliminate the corrupt. He doesn't fight for glory, he doesn't fight for peace. He fights to balance the equation. The city thought it was in control, but it forgot one thing. He's still watching, and this time, he's not alone. System status